Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Heart Eye video challenge on TikTok. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and Android, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this challenge is about creating a reflection in your eyes of hearts moving around. So many users are creating tutorials on how to create this using a TV and a dark room. However, TikTok has now made it easy to create this challenge by creating the effect themselves. So let me show you how to find it and how to use this effect. So to find this heart eye effect, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on this plus sign here at the bottom. Now you want to tap on effects at the bottom left. Then tap on the search. Here you want to search for heart eye or heart eyes. So this is what you're looking for, the heart eyes, and this is what the display picture looks like. So go ahead and tap on it. And now once you enable the effect, you'll see hearts in your eyes. So to create this challenge, you want to position your face right in the center, and you want to kind of face 45 degrees. So you want to look more towards the right of the phone rather than direct. And then you can go ahead and press the record button. And now you want to make sure both of your eyes are shown on screen. And there you go. You do need to tweak around with the angle and you might have to take multiple retakes. So there you go. You can now add your text, stickers, or any effects and then post it to TikTok. So that is how to create the Heart Eye video challenge on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.